On this episode of Will It Peanut Butter, triple seared New York strip steak. First, we salt and pepper and let sit for 1 hour. Sear 1, side 1. Sear 1, side 2. A good old bourbon bath. We're gonna put it in there. Another run through the bourbon. And one more time through the soy sauce. Last minute and a half sear. All right, this is the final sear, so we're gonna take it off and let it rest for 7 minutes. The steak is exactly the way I like it. Nice scoop of peanut butter. I highly recommend you try it.